fast does it go?
Like 70 miles per hour, I think. Look at this view. There goes Griffin. Alright.
It actually helps. Like,
Shit is getting real.
Oh God!
Here we go.
Here we go!
Oh yeah! Tries to kill you.
Oh God!
Like we were going 100 miles per hour.
Fuck me.
And then you go in that ton. Oh my God.
that's really good.
But you see what I mean? You go from like 180 to 40 degrees in like a second.
I thought I was dead.
Oh.
My last flash like I went.
That second platform, my foot touched it.
You go into the brakes so like hard. That mid-course, the little brake, the pause. You go into it so hard. It's like
I'm looking at that Chariot now. That was fun.
Apollo Chariot is amazing. If that's what Alpengeist like at night,